Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin on the device already connected to the Wi-Fi network. First, confirm the device type and that you have permission to view network settings. This matters because system tools differ. Once done, open the native network settings panel, settings on Windows, system preferences on Mac OS, or Wi-Fi settings on mobile. Make sure you avoid third-party apps at this stage. If prompted for an admin password, pause and obtain it. You need elevated access to reveal saved credentials securely. Next, execute the method matching your OS. On Windows, run command prompt as admin and use. Netch WLAN show profile SSID key equals clear to display the key. This works because Windows stores the key encrypted but decrypts for admins. On Mac OS, open keychain access, find the SSID entry, then choose Reveal Password and authenticate. Keychain stores the passphrase securely. On modern Android, tap Share to generate a QR or view saved networks. This exports or displays the password when allowed. Finally, confirm the revealed password by reconnecting another device. You want to verify it works. If you cannot view it, for example on iPhone without keychain sync, log into the router's admin interface using the gateway IP, then check the wireless settings where the SSID and passphrase are shown. Once done, record the password securely. If access is blocked or forgotten, reset the router to factory defaults and create a new password. But note this interrupts all connected devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.